Hey, how's it going today? Just today what we're going to do is we're going to go over how to create a website using Google Sites. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start, and I'm here in my incognito window, and I want to go to google.com and get logged in. Alright, and I'm going to use my personal account here. Anyways, now that I'm in, I go up to the squares up here, and I look around and I see not quite there yet. Let's go down to more. And still not there, so let's go even more from Google, and we should be able to find our Google Sites in here. So right here, it's part of the home and office part, and what you can see is I've got a couple that I've already created, but we're going to create one today, and we're going to just try to choose. You can see there's a gallery to choose more. You guys can look through and see if there's anything that you guys want to kind of use. I'm just going to create a very basic site today and use that blank template. I'm going to name that site, BTC, Boeing Tech Conference Test Site. And what I will see is there, I got to prove that I'm not a robot. It says I'm not, I'm good. And what I have to do is I get to choose kind of one of those things. I'm going to choose the ski theme, make me think of winter. And now I'm pretty much good to go. I hit that create button up top here, and I have a page creator that comes up. Oh, sorry, location's not available, so we'll throw 2015 on the end, and we'll try again. And it looks like we might have gotten this one to stick, quite possibly. It's struggling. So back over it real quick. I did not like that I had a domain that was not available. And as it's creating, you guys can see now that I have a page here. And what it is it's kind of just a basic home page, a lot like a wiki in that sense. I want to post something. I can edit this page right here. I can say hello world. And I can kind of create that nice little thing. I've got all my tools up here. You don't really need to know code at all to do this, which is kind of nice. You can kind of do these different things with it and choose different fonts, and want to work with the code, you can. That's an option right here. But you can kind of see that it's pretty simple to do. I push save, and now it's saved there, and anyone that goes to that URL right there will have that opportunity to do that. Now if I want to create a new page, I can name that page just kind of one of those simple things. We'll put that under. You can kind of choose the hierarchy of your pages there, and I push create, and now I have a brand new blank page. And I want to show you guys kind of uploading some files and such, and I've created on my desktop here a pretty basic folder that has some different file types in it, and I want to just kind of show you, kind of what would happen. So here's a logo I use at school for different things, and it uploads, and now it's available there in that file storage locker down there, which allows anybody that goes to download it. I can add other files as well, throw a final exam study guide on there, and we're looking good there. Now if I wanted to put like say a Google Doc in there, what I could do is I could get that embed code and then copy and paste that embed code into this right here, and that would allow me to start to create that. So now I've got this page here kind of created. If I can go to kind of different things here and see that we've got quite a different things. Now this is where sharing and permissions comes in. I have a choice to make this available to anyone, or just people with the link, or people that are specific and they have to sign on. And it's really one of those things that it depends on your school district and how everything is set up. So as you can kind of see, it's kind of a pretty simple one. It's pretty rudimentary. It definitely lacks some of the features of the other ones, but it is something there that you guys can kind of see and explore and play with. All right. Hope this helps. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.